Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this raspberry chocolate mousse cake. To a bowl, add 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 milliliters of oil, 50 milliliters of milk, and give it a good whisk. Your cake mixture is ready. Pour into a lined baking tin. Using a spatula to spread it out all the way into the corners. Then bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, add 500 milliliters of whipping cream to a bowl and give it a whisk. Then mix in 50 grams of icing sugar. Next, melt 300 grams of dark chocolate. Gradually add in the whipped cream, mixing in between each addition. There. Pop that in a piping bag. Now back to our cake. We're going to cut out 2 large circles. Remove the rest. Then place one of your circular cakes onto a plate and wrap an acetate sheet around it. Then place raspberries on top, starting around the edge and then filling in the middle. Next, pipe on your chocolate mousse. A nice generous layer. Use the back end of a spoon to smooth it out. Refrigerate for 30 minutes, then carefully remove the acetate sheet and sprinkle shredded chocolate on top. Finally, add some fresh raspberries in the middle. And a gold leaf. And there you have it, raspberry chocolate mousse cake. Enjoy!